Sell digital products online in 2026. Here is something most people get wrong about selling digital products. They think the hard part is building the product, but it's not. The hard part is everything that comes after. The page, the ads, finding buyers, getting paid, and then doing that again. Most people build something genuinely useful and then have absolutely no idea how to sell it. So they either give up or spend months drowning in tools that were never designed for them. That's exactly the problem we're solving today. Because in 2026, you don't need a massive audience to sell digital products. You don't need an agency, and you don't need to know how ads work. You need a system. And I am going to walk you through it step by step. First, what is a digital product? It's anything you know packaged in a way that helps someone else get a result faster. A course that teaches a skill, a challenge that builds a habit, a membership with ongoing support, or a template that saves someone 5 hours of work. The beautiful thing about digital products, once they exist, you don't trade time for every sale. You build it once and it keeps selling, but only if you have a system behind it. Here's the problem that most people run into. They have expertise and they have the idea, and then it starts. Which platform do I use? How do I build a page? Where do I find buyers? How do I run ads without just burning money? Suddenly, the idea that felt simple becomes a full-time job before you've made a single dollar. This is why most digital product businesses never actually launch. Not because the product was bad, but because the selling felt impossible. So let's look at step number 1. Turn your skill into an actual product. Most people get stuck here because they overthink it. Is my idea good enough? Who would pay for this? Should it be a course or a membership? Stop. Look at what people already ask you for. What do your friends, colleagues, followers come to you about? That is your product. Inside nasio, there's a feature called AI Co-founder. You describe what you know, roughly, messily, it doesn't matter, and it builds you a full structured offer with a title, price, format, and content plan. Not in weeks, in minutes. Step 1, done. Step 2, get a landing page live. You don't need a website to sell digital products. You need a page. One page, your offer, the price, and a button to buy. Nasio's lead forms let you build exactly that in seconds. No designer, no developer, no domain setup. The page collects emails, takes payments, and connects directly to your product. Once it's live, it works 24/7. You don't have to be online for someone to buy from you. And that leads us to step number 3, where you gotta get in front of buyers. This is where most solopreneurs freeze. I don't have followers. I don't know how to run ads. I tried boosting a post once and wasted money. Here's the truth. You don't need followers to find customers. Nasio solves this in 2 ways. Magic ads. Pick your product, set a budget, choose your location, and AI writes the copy, builds the creative, handles the targeting. You hit launch. No meta ads manager, no complicated dashboards, and no guessing. It runs your ad on Facebook and Instagram and finds people who are likely to buy. Or, if you'd rather go direct, find specific people and reach out, Magic Leads does that. Describe your offer, the AI builds your ideal customer profile, and returns a match list of leads. You reach out directly inside nasio. No scraping tools, no spreadsheets, and those are 2 ways to find customers, both built in. Both require 0 marketing experience, leading us to number 4. And number 4 is scaling what works. Yes, once buyers start coming in, the game changes. You're not testing if it works anymore. You're doing more of what already works. This is where Nasio's dashboard matters. One place to see which ads are converting, where leads are coming from, and what's worth scaling. What makes Nasio different is that all you need to sell a product online lives in one place. Create the product, build the page, run the ads, get paid, and see what's working. One dashboard. That's what lets one person compete with an entire team. So if you've been sitting on a skill, a course idea, something that you've been meaning to package and sell, you don't need to figure it all out before you start. Build the product, launch the page, run the ads, find the customers. The system exists. All you have to do is start. See you in the next one.